Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn 25 body parts in a fun way. Head. This is a head.
Wow! This is my head. My head helps me think and learn new things.
Hair. This is hair.
Wow! This is my hair. My hair covers, and protects my head.
Eye. This is an eye.
Wow! This is my eyes. My eyes help me see the world in beautiful colors. This is my
ear. This is an ear.
Wow! These are my ears. My ears help me hear music and sounds.
Nose. This is a nose.
Wow! This is my nose. My nose helps me smell flowers and yummy food. This
teeth. These are teeth.
Wow! These are my teeth. My teeth help me bite and chew food.
Mouth. This is a mouth.
Wow! This is my mouth. My mouth helps me talk and eat.
Tongue. This is a tongue.
Wow! This is my tongue. My tongue helps me taste sweet and sour food. This is
shoulder. This is a shoulder.
Wow! These are my shoulders. My shoulders help my arms move. These are
neck. This is a neck.
Wow! This is my neck. My neck helps my head move around.
Elbow. This is an elbow.
Wow! This is my elbow. My elbow helps my arm bend.
Arm. This is an arm.
Wow! These are my arms. My arms help me lift and carry things.
Fingers. These are fingers.
Wow! These are my shoulders. My shoulders help my arms move. These
hand. This is a hand.
Wow! These are my hands. My hands help me hold toys and draw.
Hello, kids! Let's learn internal body parts.
Brain.
The brain is amazing. These are the electric signals, the synapses, firing across the neural pathways that control how we think and move.
Lungs.
These are the lungs. The lungs help us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide.
Liver.
This is the liver. The liver cleans our blood and helps digest food.
Stomach.
This is the stomach. The stomach breaks down food and helps our body get energy.
Heart.
This is the heart. The heart pumps blood all around our body and keeps us alive.
Large intestine.
This is the large intestine.
It absorbs water and helps remove waste from our body.
Kidneys.
These are the kidneys. Kidneys clean waste from our blood and make urine.
Small intestine.
This is the small intestine. It takes nutrients from food and gives energy to our body.
Muscle.
These are muscles. Muscles help us move, run, jump, and play.
Eye.
These are the eyes. Eyes help us see colors, shapes, and the world around us.
Nose.
This is the nose. The nose helps us smell and breathe.
Tongue.
This is the tongue. The tongue helps us taste sweet, sour, salty, and yummy foods.
Skin.
This is the skin. Skin protects our body and helps us feel touch.
Bones.
These are the bones. Bones give shape and support to our body.